blamed in your life for being soft, and you've often succeeded because you've been soft. Now, if you read this act, I cannot imagine a softer act than this. In fact, there are so many ifs and buts in this. The whole act is practically teetering on a thin rope. Anybody and everybody is willing to kill this act even before it is born. Now, that is the situation of this act. Now, if whatever little room it gives, I don't believe that our commissioners are individuals. I mean, very eminent people have been made commissioners. They didn't need this job to be commissioners in this place. Now, unless they really believe in this right to information, unless they radically believe, you will have to take a little more radical stand. If you go by the letter of what is written, nothing can be done. You can keep giving notices and keep giving show cause notices and they'll never be replied. Now, I would request that the commissioners, I would like to see half a dozen commissioners leave their jobs and say that, look, they cannot deliver under this law. Either they believe in the law. If they don't believe in the law, people of such eminence should not sit as commissioners. It's not a question.
Thank you for the compliment. Thank you for the compliment. You believe I'm a person of eminence. I mean, I'm afraid I don't share your view, but then that is not for me to share or not to share. But the question is that I don't believe that the act is weak. It may be that I'm soft. And I've cited to you the legal basis for the decisions as are taken by the Commission. Anna ji.
एक तो ये कानून जब बना उस टाइम पर ही कई लोग यही कहते कि इसमें पेनल्टी मत रखो। कई लोगों के प्रयास से ये पेनल्टी का कानून में आ गया। मैं अभी महाराष्ट्र में नहीं कई राज्यों में घूमता हूँ, लेकिन पेनल्टी में प्रामाणिकता से नहीं काम हो रहा। ये मैं यही अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। पेनल्टी में कई लोगों को जो छूट दी जाती है, ये बात बराबर नहीं है। अभी आप देखेंगे कि ये पेनल्टी में एक तो छूट दी जाती है, दूसरा है कि जो डिले की बात की। आज हर राज्यों में चीफ कमिश्नर नियुक्त किया, उसके साथ में और कमिश्नर नियुक्त करने थे, नहीं किए। महाराष्ट्र में 10,000 जो अपील है चीफ कमिश्नर के पास पेंडिंग है, 10,000 प्रपोजल, और ये भी कारण हो सकता है। तो हमारा कहना है कि पेनल्टी ये सिर्फ अफसरों को पनिशमेंट करना ये उद्देश्य नहीं है। आजादी के 56 साल के बाद लोगों को ये थोड़ी आजादी मिली है, उस आजादी को हम सही तरीके से लोगों को अनुभव करने के लिए पेनल्टी बहुत जरूरी है। आज 58 साल बीत गए, हम सब कह रहे हैं कि गणतंत्र आ गया, प्रजातंत्र आ गया, लोकशाही आ गई। कहाँ है लोकशाही? लोकशाही अगर ये है कि लोगों ने लोगों के लिए लोक सहभाग से चलाई हुई शाही, वो लोकशाही है, तो आज कहाँ लोकशाही है? वो इसमें से आ जाएगी। अगर पेनल्टी हमारे सही उसमें हो गई तो लोकशाही का अनुभव होगा लोगों के लिए। तो इसको हम इस तरीके से देखना है। आज हमारे देश के जो हालत है, क्या हालत है हम सब देख रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं। इसको बदलना है तो अभी एक ही मार्ग है, राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन का जो कानून बना उसमें ये पेनल्टी बहुत जरूरी है। अगर वो गलत काम हो रहा तो उसको पेनल्टी लगना चाहिए, उसको छूट देना बराबर नहीं है। तो इस तरीके से हमें इस कानून की तरफ देखना है।
So has the time come for the commission to act up?
May I answer?
They didn't give me confirmation. And see, what was the result? Result was that for 6 months I was waiting for the information, it never came. When I was coming back to India, then I said, Mr. Habibullah, I want to meet you. You didn't give me the appointment. But say, this, CVC, CPIO, he got worried. He sent me a message, email message. He says, Tyagi, here is what you wanted. I read that iPhone. It was the same thing which was given to me in January. And I had come to you for appeal. Mr. Habibullah, you know, this gentleman called me to his office. I sat in his office, and I found that when I was not in India and I was expecting information on email, he was continuing to send information at my Delhi address. And all those papers were lying in his file. I located those papers in his file, 3 envelopes. I said, Mr. Ahuja, you had sent this information to me. It could not be delivered because you didn't give it to me on email. You sent it to me in my Delhi address. Now, anyway, these 3 envelopes are lying in your file. Kindly give me these. You know what does he say? Mr. Habibullah, you're Mr. Ahuja. He says, you have complained to Mr. Habibullah. I didn't complain, I simply appealed to you. But he says that I complained against him to you. And he says that because I have complained to you, he will not give all those 3 undelivered letters containing my information, sir. And he says, unless I withdraw complaint to you, he will not give it to you.
Is this a cause for action on your part, sir? Would you take action in this particular case?
I have sent email to everybody, and nobody is listening to me.
Let me put that question, sir. Would you take action? Would you?
Information is available in the file up here.
Please. Sir, if you can, sir. Sir, if you can sit. Sir, if, please. We have to conduct, sir.
एक मिनट, अभी सबको मौका, एक मिनट, अगर हम सब लोग एक छोटी सी बात, अभी इन्होंने एक बात कही थी, उन्होंने कहा था कि कई सारे केसेस में ये कह के छोड़ दिया जा रहा है। एक मिनट,
जिसको जवाब नहीं मिलेगा पेनल्टी किस पर लगाएंगे? मैं वही सच समझ रखना चाहता हूँ। हमारे